Well, look how fast that beehive was made in the tree. Just a little while ago, there was none at all, and now look. That is growing right in the tree. Look at that. Nice green leaves. Then we got a bee in there. Beehive. Look. Watch when they come out. They go in and out right there. And look at that. Can you imagine making that great big flakes like that? Look. See, you can see them. Look. Did you see him come right out? Look, watch him. Hello, here we are. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Coming right out. They're doing their job. Oh, a whole bunch of them want to come in all at the same time.
You gotta shoot it down.
Look how fast they're all getting back in.
What kind of bees are they?
They're little black ones.
Well, if they're oh no, those are not honeybees. Those are the ones that are gonna hurt us.
Those are bad ones.
I think so. I'm not a bee person, but they're not honeybees.
Isn't that something? Look at them.
I'm sure they're wasps.
All right. There they are. Okay, stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.